You can easily make the shredded chicken noodles. I have always eaten them in my family. They are served with a small bowl of broth. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by cooking the chicken and preparing the broth. Put it in a saucepan with 3 liters of water. Cut 1 onion in half and 2 slices of ginger. Also put them in a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Put a lid on and heat it over high heat. Meanwhile, prepare the fried garlic. Chop 30 grams of garlic. In a pan heated over low heat, put 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Regularly stir. When the garlic is golden like this, turn off the heat and continue to stir for 10 seconds. Then put it in a bowl. The broth begins to boil. Turn to medium-low heat and let simmer for 1 hour. Mince 2 green onions and 15 grams of cilantro. Now, prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of black rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix all together. After 1 hour, remove the chicken and let it cool for 15 minutes. Remove the fat on the surface of the broth. Shred the flesh of the chicken. Remove the skin. Make sure to take all the flesh. Concerning the noodles, you can use dehydrated or fresh noodles. Here, I use fresh noodles. I prepare bowl by bowl. Take 120 grams of noodles for each person. Put them in a pot of boiling water over high heat. When they come up to the surface, after about 2 minutes, add a handful of bean sprouts. After 5 seconds, take them out and drain them. Put them in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of fried garlic. Mix. Add 2 tablespoons of seasoning sauce. Mix again. Put some shredded chicken. a pinch of salted cabbage, some green onion and cilantro. The bowl of noodles is ready. Serve a small bowl of broth for everyone. Put some herbs. I like to add a teaspoon of chili oil. Bon appétit! The shredded chicken flesh has long fibers. They are pleasant to chew. It brings out the taste of the chicken. The broth is tasty. It is important. During the meal, it allows you to alternate the flavors. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.